we're almost there. Group 5, we're getting there now, right? This is where we start doing more digraphs and diphthongs. Please do check out my other videos. Do like, subscribe, hit the notifications. I keep saying it until I'm hoarse. All right, I'm trying to do all the videos in one go today. I'm not doing procedure. That's Jolly Phonics for beginners. And I'm not doing the songs because I don't have copyright. I'm giving you the actions, whatever they are. Okay, I'm giving you the sounds. I'm giving you the difference between voiced and unvoiced. But there's loads of other videos in much more detail about this. Okay, I hope it's good luck. Good luck. I hope it's useful. Group number 5 begins with the letter Z, which is the sound Z, Z, Z. Unlike the F sound, it's not an expirator, it's voiced. It's not unvoiced, it's voiced. So you can put your hands on your throat, have your students do that, and go zzz. It should be vibrating in your throat. And the action is just a little bee. Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz? All right, I'll repeat again. I'm not going to let you hear the songs. I don't have copyright. I've purchased all their products and I can use them, but I don't want to publish them or anything like that. It's not my duty or my position to do that. Okay, zzz, zzz. And the next one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, I see the clouds flying. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, and the wind is blowing strong. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, this is the reason when it comes to the H sound, I don't do that one. I prefer to put my hands on my knees and go because I find that and are a bit too close for comfort in my liking. And the next sound, this is quite challenging. It's and you are going to be strong, strong with a long pole. It's not so clear, but it's easy enough. The kids pick it up quickly. And the next sound is the same muscle usage as the letter f. This time you add a voice and go v, v. You see that? It's voiced now. There's a vibration coming out of my voice box. You get the kids to say f and then go ah, f, v, v. This is really challenging for some Asian kids as they like to say things like violin, violet. Yeah, wan, wick. It's not woo, it's z, z, z. Not that, it's that. All right, W and V are nothing alike in English. And the action is drive Vic's van around the village. You're driving a van around your village. And this one is ooh, ooh. For those of you that weren't aware, the double O sound has 2 different sounds, short and long. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, and it's like a cuckoo clock. You go ooh, 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 and you just learn this by examples. If you look at my examples here, for some reason I've got one spelt wrongly. C-double-O, oh, coo, cook, coo, book, moon, look, soon, hook, shoot, took, tooth, ooh, ooh, cook, book, moon, soon. It's why some kids might read the word blood as blood. I have one student that says blood. I had blood coming out of my nose. It's blood. Ooh, ooh, short, long. I would often teach this in conjunction with another lesson on short and long vowel recognition. Hat, hate, cap, cape, cane, can. Can they identify short or long? Once they can, move on to this. I hope that's useful.